Hi, in this video we will see how to program to find tuple indices from other tuple list. So we will have two tuples, and first of all we will have our first tuple in which we have some values of tuples inside a list, and then we have another list with all the tuple values which we have to look up in the first list of tuples. And if the first tuple has the values inside, then we will just print the indices on which it is present, and otherwise we won't print any values. So let's see the two methods which we have. So before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss out on our videos. So we'll see our first method. So in first method we'll use lookup dictionary plus enumerate function plus list comprehension. So a lookup dictionary is formed to map all the tuples with matching ones indices. So lookup dictionary will be used to map all the tuples. Then lookup dictionary is used to get indices of map tuples as result using list comprehension. So let's code and I will tell you in the code what exactly happens. So we have this test list. So we will have two lists of tuples. Then we have this one list. Then let's see, so 4 comma 5. Then we will have one more 7 comma 6. Then we'll have one more 1 comma 0. Then we'll have 3 comma 4 as well. So we have this first list of tuples which is called as test list. Then we'll print the test list, print the test list is, so the test list will be, test list will be our test list. Yeah. Now let's have a search list. We'll have a search list, or we'll search the tuples in the list. So we'll say search tuples. So we will have some tuples inside it, which we want to search in our first, or which we have to search in the test list. Then say we need to search this 3 comma 4 8 comma 9. If 3 comma 4 is present at the third indice, so 3 will be printed. Then 8 comma 9 is not present, so nothing will be printed. Then let's have 7 comma 6. So 7 comma 6 is present at 1, so 1 will be printed. Then we will have 1 comma 0. So 1 comma 0 is present at 2 index position, so 3 1 2 will be printed now. So 3 for 3 comma 4, 1 for 7 comma 6, and 2 for 1 comma 0. So this is how it is done, or how it will be done in the code. Now let's have this lookup dict. Lookup dict is equal to, so we will have this dictionary of key value pairs. So value and key. So value and key for key comma value. So key comma value and enumerate test underscore list. I'll write the code and then explain. So we have this lookup dict. Then we will have this result dictionary or result list. So we'll pass in lookup dict. We'll have this lookup dict. Then idx idx in search. So in search tuples. So in search tuples, for idx in search tuples, if idx in lookup dict. So this is our two functions, and then we'll just print out the match tuples indices are, so they are in the res. So we'll run this. So as you can see, we have 3, 1 and 2 because 3 comma 4 was present at index 3 and 7 comma 6 was present at index 1 and 1 comma 0 was present at index 2. So 3, 1, 2 in a list is printed. So what does this lookup dict and rest did is in lookup dict we have created a value key pair. So we will have the first value then key for key and val in enumerate test list. So here we have the 4 and 5 into as key and val. So as key and val we have 4 and 5. So in rest lookup we have this lookup dict idx. So index will be val, and then for index in search tuples, if the index in the search tuple is matching. So if idx in this search tuple is matching with the lookup dict, so we have this lookup dict and we had the value of it uh, generated from this function or this line of code. So if index in search tuple is matching with the lookup dict, then what you do is just have it into the res. So we will just have the index printed into our res. So that's what we have 3, 1 and 2. And this is the first method which we have. Now let's see the second method. So the second method is using list comprehension and enumerate function. So you perform task of getting indices using enumerate, and list comprehension is used for the task of iteration of all elements of tuple in matching for equality. So we have this test list, print, and search tuple as of the first code, and now we will see what this res does. So this res just have the has the index for index and val in enumerate test list. So in this enumerate, so this enumerate function takes this test list and creates an index and value function out of it, and for ele for element in search tuple. So for element in the search tuple, so if element is equal to val, so if this val is equal to the element in the search tuple, then just print its index. So the enumerator will just have the index, the first index or the index column, comma, the value. So the value will be each of the tuples inside the test list, and it will have idx or the index equivalent to it. So 4 comma 5 will have 0, 7 comma 6 will have 1, 1 comma 0 2, and 3 comma 4 3. So this enumerate does that thing, and this for loop is inside this for loop. So each time this runs, then for ele in search tuple, so for one val, the search tuple will be checked each and every time, and each element in the search tuple will be checked with the val of the test list. Then if that ele is equal to val is equal to val, then idx will be printed, and or otherwise it won't be printed. So we get the same function or same values. But here as you can see, we have 3 comma 4 at third position. So we have 3 over here, then we have 8 comma 9. But here as you can see, it was using search tuple, and like search tuple first it had 3 comma 4, so it checked here, and then we got the index position as 3 first, and then we had 7 comma 6, then we got 1, and then we had 1 comma 0, and therefore we had 2. But over here as you can see, here we will have this 1 comma, we will check on test list. So from test list we'll check if there is an search tuple or not. So therefore this 1 comma 0 is there, and 1 comma 0, so sorry, so 7 comma 6 is there, 7 comma 6 is there in our search tuple. So therefore first one is printed, and then 3 comma 4 is there in our search tuple, so it is at position 1. So it is printed at the second position. So that's all from this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, put down in the comment section below and we'll get back to your doubts. Thank you.